Jam One Media TV, the leader TV.
Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! What do we want? Justice! What do we want? Justice! What do we want? Justice! What do we want it? Now! What do we want? Justice! What do we want it? Now! What do we want? Justice! What do we want it? Now! What do we want? Justice! What do we want it? Now! What do we want? Justice! What do we want it? Now! What do we want? Justice! What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? Say his name! 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 Black lives! 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 What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? Black lives! Black lives! Black lives! Black lives! I see you, bro. See you? Yeah, man. Carly out here. We out here. I'm tired. Tired. Thank you. No justice! No racist! 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 What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? Say his name! 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 What do we want? What do we want it? What do we want? What do we want it? No justice! No racist! No justice! No racist! Black lives! 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 Woo! Black Lives Matter.
Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, Miss Grace Hamilton spice herself, you know. Jamaican melanated queen, the ambassador for black skin woman, a man over across the world. Yeah, now she is frontline in the Atlanta protest. Yeah, she is him and our own Grace Hamilton out there on the front line protesting for George Floyd death. You know what I mean? The man that did dead in Minneapolis the other day, you know what I mean, on May 25th, you know, by a police officer. He dies from asphyxiation, you know what I mean? So, you know, so that at the lack of the ear from the brain thing, you see me, I say, the man dead, you know what I mean? Straight cruelty, you know what I mean? So, Spice out there on the front line, you know what I mean, I represent, I do for her thing, I make sure it's a yo, you know, she represent for Jamaica, you know what I mean, and she did release a song like a year ago named Colorism, that, you know what I mean, got a buzz on the internet, you know what I mean, it tear down the whole of Instagram, you know what I mean. Yeah, and she got worldwide attention for the stunt where she do, you know, the bleaching skin stunt, you know what I mean, so check her out there protesting for the cause, and you know, I think that's a great thing from her, you know, I'm so proud of her to know that, you know, she's still standing up for the melanated people, you know what I mean, even in a time where, you know, COVID pandemic is on hand and, you know, everybody is kind of scared to come out of them house, you know, encourage the people them were out there, you know, and make this thing possible, you know. Big up to Jamaica and Jamaicans all over, you know, say yo, from Bob Marley back in the days, you know what I mean, Peter Touch, all of them big man, the ambassador, you know what I mean, for reggae music, ambassador for black liberation, ambassador for all of that, you know what I mean, Bob Marley started it, you know what I mean, you know, and now we have a dancer, reggae artist who is also out here doing all these great things, you know what I mean, and you know, we have a legacy. Jamaica have a legacy for promote black pride, you know what I mean, from Marcus Garvey days and all of that, you know what I mean, so, you know, support the people them.
What do we want?